many square feet of new carpet is needed? So considering that the shape below is a floor plan of some sort, we're gonna figure out the square feet, and square feet indicates that we're looking for area. So that's your clue. If it had just been feet, you would have been looking for something else. So to figure out the area, since this isn't our typical rectangle or square, we actually have to split it into two pieces, figure out the area of each piece, and then we can add those areas together, and then we'll know the area for the entire piece. So I'll go ahead, I've split it into two parts, and from here we're going to use the information that we're given to figure out the missing sides. So we don't know the length of that side, and we don't know the length of that side either. So to begin, we know that this side is 20 feet, right? So if this side here is 20 feet, then the side opposite also has to be 20 feet. So this entire side should be 20 feet. But notice that this part isn't right here, but instead it's here. So if we know that we have 12 feet here, and the entire thing has to be 20, the difference is 8. So this side is going to be 8 feet. And then you do the same thing up here. If this entire thing is supposed to be 14 feet because we have 14 feet, opposite of that, and this is 6 feet here, well, the difference is going to be 8 feet. So now we can go ahead and figure out the area of each piece. So right here, we have a side that's 8 feet and a side that's 6 feet. So this is 6 by 8. To figure out the area, you multiply. So we have 48 feet squared. And then here we have a side that's 12 feet and another side that's 14 feet. So you go ahead and you multiply those, and we get 168. So now that we know the area of both parts, we can go ahead and add these together. And that'll give us 216 feet squared, or 216 square feet, same thing. And that's our final answer.